Hey everyone, Demian here. Alright, today we have a couple boxes of 2015 Topps Pro debut. This is inspired by Elite Co. I really liked the list of names that come out of this, and I don't have a lot of the early prospect cards of some of those guys, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I don't think I'll get to both boxes, but let's see what we can do here. I'm a little slower at opening stuff just because I really enjoy it. Let's see what we get here. Picked these up online for a pretty decent price, actually. Wasn't too bad for those. Let's see what we get here. This is 2015 Topps design from what I saw. We got Tyler Beatty. I've seen that guy before. Jacob Gatewood. Miguel Almonte. Drew Vedelson. I think I remember that guy's name before. Promo Night Uniforms. Manny Ramirez. There's an Austin Meadows. Just got called up last week. Pretty nice card. Joe Gallo. And Michael Chavis. Alright. Again, I try not to touch the fronts, but also have to learn to speed these videos up. Wyatt Matheson. Jake Stinnett. Trey Supek. Michael Kopech. That guy. Max Pentecost. Monty Harrison. Tyler Naquin. That's a good player. And Alex Verdugo. I'm not sure if he's splitting time between minors and the bigs right now, but Verdugo, I know he's got a rookie card this year in Bowman that I saw at least, and Topps. Alright, congratulations. This is one card per pack. Hunter Renfroe, 26 out of 50. Fragments of the Farm. And that was all that was in that pack. One giant card. That's really thick. It's a pretty cool looking patch. Okay, Nick Gordon. He'll be up here anytime with the Twins. Mike Freeman. Tyler Kolek. Otto Braxton Davidson. It's a nice card. Nick Williams. Yeah, these names, it's really cool to go back to 2015 and grab these. Jacoby Jones. Not sure what Robert Ref Snyder's up to. Jose De Leon. There's some short prints in these, like Topps has been known to do for the past, I don't know, 10 or so years even. They'll run a short print picture on these as well. Not sure if more than just like Chris Bryant and those guys have them, but keep an eye out for those. Let's say Peraza. Julio Urias. I think he is rehabbing right now from surgery. Not sure. I'm going to have to check on that guy. Got a lot of that. Julio Urias. Adam Conley. Brandon Nimmo. Had a good game the other day. And David Dahl, who I know. Alright. I may open the second box on a different video because these are fun. Kevin Plawecki. I like that they're in their debut uniforms here. Dominic Smith. Like Plawecki was in his Las Vegas uniform. Sean Coyle. Those are nice right here. Distinguishing debut, Alex Verdugo. Those are pretty cool looking cards. A for Alex, it says. Okay. Cody Decker. Trevor Williams. Manny Margot. And Blake Swihart. So we got a patch auto and an auto. There's Aaron Judge on the back here. Luis Ortiz. Schwarber in his Hawks uniform. That's pretty sweet. It's going to go in one of my favorites. Ryan Castellani. Austin Dakar for the Yanks. Noah Syndergaard. Just went on the DL, but he is a really, really good pitcher. There's Luke Weaver. Trey Turner. That's a good pack. Judge will be on the back there. And Aaron Judge. Don't have that card yet, so look at that centering. That's pretty. It's going in the pretty pile. That was a really nice touch. Check the corners close and that. Alright, so we have... I'm sorry, I'm a little sick today, so my voice is a little off. Jack Flaherty. Oh, we got an orange coming up. I can see it. Tyler Danish. Tyler Glasnow. Hey, Sean Manaea orange. Well, that's nice. Let's see what that's number 2. 25 out of 25. There you go. That's a nice number right there. Sean Reed Foley. Nomar Mazara. Yeah, these names. I'm loving this. This is fun. Thanks, Elite Co. Would not have even remembered about these. TJ Chisholm. Lucas Giotto. I don't know why. I just like the debut stuff, and I don't have any of the heritage minors either. And those are fun. So I'm going to have to look back at that stuff too. Drew Ellis for the Owls. Jacob Lindergan. Justin Twine. Dan Black. Promo Night uniforms. Polanco. That's pretty cool. Justin O'Connor. Yohan Urena. And Hader. Man, that guy. His last name should be Heater. That guy's ridiculous pitcher for the Brewers. Alright, what else we got? 8 minutes on the timer. Oh my gosh. Nestor Molina. I think I'm limited to 10-minute videos still. So I'm going to have to hurry up. Conrad Gregor. Addison Russell. Nice card. What I'll do is probably just stop at 10-ish and then pick it back up. Raul Mondesi. Pretty nice card. Rob Kaminsky. Colin Moran. Brett Phillips. That guy. Watching him. Roman Quinn. Another nice card. Mark Appel. I don't think he's still playing. Drew Ward. Michael Conforto. That's a nice card. Carson Sands. Taylor Sparks. Grant Holmes, distinguishing debut. Instant winner, it says up there. Hunter Harvey. Carlos Correa. Don't have that one. That's a really nice card as well. Looks like it's in good shape. Mark Appel. I don't know if he's still pitching. I'll have to look. I'm going to have to break these videos up, so I'm going to stop it right here and pick back up in part 2. See you guys there.